Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you here how to separate vector. Okay, so really what we're gonna do is help you through that. So first of all, what you're gonna do is follow this video. This is gonna be actually to be helping you a lot of things. It is really about to be satisfied with this progress, as you can understand and see. This is gonna be really about to be helping you in a lot of ways. That's still to be really satisfied with. This will to be important to be helping you in every single progress. That is really to be important to be dealing with that. So this moment that is really to be satisfied with some progress that we can actually see that in certain things is still to be really in front of that to type in separate vector on this way, and we can actually see that there is no separate split vectors over here. We can actually see that one and start to get filled shapes. So I have just the expecting shapes. You can see right now I can actually see the shape of the vector of that split. You can split rectangle that has one filler region, so you can actually see adding more than one fillet is really about that. That is really to be about to be important to deal with that one, about to be doing that. So that's all about to help you through this video.